Hello everyone, it is Verix, and today I am back with another video on the Minty Pickaxe. So I am currently on iPhone SE. This is the lowest graphics, and I just wanted to do a review on the Minty Pickaxe, how it looks on mobile graphics and how it sounds. Okay, so hitting opponents with shield. Hitting opponents without shield. Pickaxe sound. Okay, now with the lowest possible graphics, we will look at the Minty Pickaxe. Yeah, this looks horrible, but okay, bear with me. Hitting opponents with shield. Oh, without shield. The swing looks really nice. I like the sound of it. Let's put our settings back to 100. It has a nice effect to it. Okay, I recommend this pickaxe 100%. If you guys would like, if you don't have the candy axe, I suggest that you get this. Huge shout out to T9_SCIOM on Instagram. Go follow her. This was a good video, and thank you. Goodbye.